Hello everyone and welcome to the another video and very happy new year to all of you. In this दिवाली आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं मेरे ओर से। आप सब अगले नए साल में बहुत सारा पैसा कमाएं मार्केट से, कुछ नई स्किल्स डेवलप करें और अपने स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग करियर को आगे एनहेंस करें। यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं आप सबको। और जैसे कि आपने टाइटल पढ़ा होगा, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे दिवाली मुहूर्त पिक्स 2020। जी हाँ दोस्तों, जैसे मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था, मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल में मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था कि दिवाली पिक्स में जल्दी लाऊंगा, मे बी अराउंड फ्राइडे, बट समहाउ सैटरडे को हम मैनेज कर पाए हैं। सो आज इस वीडियो में हम डिटेल में देखेंगे कौन से वो स्टॉक्स है जो हमको चेक करने हैं और हम मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग में हम उसको बाय भी कर सकते हैं। आज हम टोटल 5 स्टॉक्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि रहेंगे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे हम इसको शॉर्टलिस्ट किए हैं। मैं आपको डिटेल में दिखाऊंगा कौन से रीजन से, चार्ट्स के ऊपर क्या सिग्नल से कि हमने इस स्टॉक को पर्टिकुलरली डिसाइड किया है, शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है मुहूर्त पिक्स के लिए। दोस्तों इसमें ध्यान रखिए, ये जो स्टॉक्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज, जो 5 स्टॉक, उनका होराइजन रहेगा मीडियम टर्म से लॉन्ग टर्म, मतलब कि अराउंड मीडियम टर्म मतलब 6 मंथ टू 1 ईयर के पीरियड में हो सकता है। बिकॉज हम इसका जो एनालिसिस करेंगे वो हायर टाइम फ्रेम्स में देखेंगे। बिकॉज इट्स अ दिवाली मुहूर्त पिक, हम उसको होल्ड करेंगे कुछ और टाइम के लिए, मीडियम टर्म लेट से 6 मंथ 1 ईयर। सो इसमें प्रोबेबल टारगेट एरिया भी कुछ इस तरीके के हमको देखने को मिल सकते हैं। सो ये चीज़ ध्यान में रखिए। स्टॉक वॉच एपिसोड जो हमारे रहते हैं एवरी सैटरडे, उसमें हम शॉर्ट टर्म्स के देखते हैं जिसमें हमको 1 वीक 2 वीक्स के अंदर बड़ा अच्छा रिटर्न मिलता है। बट ऐसा इस स्टॉक्स में माइट पॉसिबल हो भी सकता है, आपको तुरंत रिटर्न देखने को मिल सकता है पर्टिकुलरली कुछ स्टॉक्स में, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि उतना फास्ट मोमेंटम आपको देखने को मिले ही मिले। सो वो ध्यान में रखिए, अपना माइंडसेट उस हिसाब से प्रिपेयर रखिए कि आपको स्टॉक को कुछ टाइम के लिए होल्ड करना पड़े। दूसरा एक इंस्ट्रक्शन ये रहेगा कि आप अपने कैपिटल का अराउंड 7 to 10% अभी स्टार्टिंग में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए। और जैसे कि आपके पास समझिए 1 लाख रुपए है तो आप 7,000 से 10,000 के बीच में एक पर्टिकुलरली एक स्टॉक के अंदर इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं और फिर उसको होल्ड करिए। इसका ये एक रीजन है कि अगर आपने ज्यादा बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट एक ही स्टॉक्स में एक ही बार में कर दे तो काफी बार क्या होता है कि स्टॉक्स को कंसोलिडेशन में होता है या फिर काफी बार थोड़ा नीचे भी आता है, फिर वो ऊपर जाता है। जब भी स्टॉक नीचे आएगा, अगर आपका बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, बड़ा क्वांटिटी होगा, तो आप इम्पेशेंस हो जाओगे। इसलिए ध्यान रखिए, इसको ज्यादा बड़ा क्वांटिटी से मत परचेस कीजिए। पहले आप 7 to 8% का 10% का एलोकेशन कीजिए। अगर छोटा सा पुल बैक दिखता है काउंटर में, थोड़ा बहुत नीचे आता है तो वहां पे ऐड कर सकते हैं या फिर साइडवेज में ऐड कर सकते हैं। और तीसरा जो इंस्ट्रक्शन है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सारे स्टॉक्स के हमने स्टॉप लॉस लेवल्स भी डिस्कस किए हैं। सो इन केस के अगर स्टॉक्स नहीं चलते और कहीं पे भी वो लेवल ब्रिच होता है जो हमने स्टॉप लॉस डिसाइड किया है, एग्जिट योर पोजीशन एंटायरली। ठीक है, उसके बाद नीचे ऐड करने का गलती मत करिए। कभी भी डाउन ट्रेंड में एक्यूमुलेशन एवरेज मत करिए। अप ट्रेंडेड स्टॉक में हम वो कर सकते हैं। हालांकि हमने जो स्टॉक्स आइडेंटिफाई किया उसमें काफी सारे स्टॉक्स है जो अप ट्रेंडेड ही है, जो हमको अच्छे पुल बैक में भी मिल रहे हैं। कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स है जो लॉन्ग टर्म रिवर्सल्स दिखा रहे हैं जो हमने आइडेंटिफाई किए। टोटल 5 स्टॉक्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे, डिटेल में चेक करेंगे, सारे स्टॉक्स का चार्ट्स के ऊपर देखेंगे कि हमको ध्यान रखना है। चलिए हम देखते हैं चार्ट्स डिटेल में। आपका ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए हम चार्ट्स की ओर मुड़ते हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द स्क्रीन। So welcome to the screen, and our first stock is Atul Limited. This is the weekly time frame of Atul Limited. We can see here this is a weekly medium term time horizon, and if we can analyze with the higher time frame on monthly chart, so we can clearly see this is a good uptrended stock since so many years. Since 2014 it has been in uptrend. We have seen so many ups and downs in between, when the overall trend of the stock is up on a monthly time frame, so which is long term time frame is upside. We have seen a good 2 candlesticks here, but there were 2 shadows here. The first one is here, this is the shadow here, and another one we can see it's here. So that's why we have seen some kind of selling pressure in this stock at this level of 7,000, and stock has been in sideways for 1 or 2 months, and again it resuming its strength with a high bullish candlestick pattern. The month of November is not over yet, but it is resuming its strength. So we have identified this stock as a bullish stock for our Diwali peak 2020. So let's check on weekly time frame as well. And on weekly time frame, we have seen this is a very nice good pickup and uptrended, and we have seen some kind of small consolidation here, and again it is resuming its trend. And in this rally we have seen the volumes are
increasing. This is the increase in volume from this rally to from here to here. The volumes are increasing, so which is participation of investors, traders are so much aggressive in this counter. We can clearly see in this uptrend. So after this uptrend, stock is in sideways for some time, so that's why this is a good time to accumulate this stock for your longer time horizon, for your this Diwali Muhurat. And in this decline, we have seen the stock is declining, but the volume is not increasing. Volume is also declining. So some kind of small profit booking or pullback, we can say. So this is the good area to enter. Around 6361 is the last closing of this counter. You can add this stock for your Diwali portfolio pick. And the levels I'm discussing here is the stop loss level. You can keep around this, below this level, around 5700 is your stop loss for Atul Limited. And the target area we are expecting around 7400, which is around this zone, above this high. So expecting a 7400 level in next couple of months. So this is the bullish stock we have identified, Atul Limited. And let's check on momentum also. The trend is up, volume is good, candlestick pattern. This is a small good consolidation, U-shaped recovery, which is a good sign. And the momentum oscillator RSI is also above 60 and taking support above 60, which is extremely bullish sign. So that's again a good indication of ongoing trend will be continue, and we will see good uptrended move in next couple of months. So keep your stop loss at 5700, and the target area for Atul Limited is 7400. So this is our first stop. Let's discuss our next pick is Delta Corporation, Delta Corp. And we have seen this is on a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, it was facing resistance at this point, 1 2 3 4, and nicely it here on the fifth time it has broken out important moving average resistance. This is a 55-day simple moving average. It has given a good breakout on a weekly time frame with good reasonable volumes also. So this is the indication of participation of so many traders aggressively, the investor accumulating this stock. We have seen this is a consolidation, has also broken out. The range has been broken out here since around 12 weeks range. We have seen broken out upside with the good volumes, and we can see this is the good accumulation pattern in volumes also. On every bullish candle with a wide range, we have seen good volumes. Here is the first one. Second one is here, good bullish candlestick pattern, good volumes. Again, this is a good pattern, candlestick pattern, good volumes. And lastly, a wide range candlestick pattern with a huge volume. So actively participation of traders and investors in this counter, we can clearly see. And if you can check the daily time frame, it has taken support at this moving average. A good consolidation has been over 12 weeks consolidation. And on weekly time frame, the momentum is also crossing 60 RSI, which is extremely bullish since last so many years. Since 2018, the weekly RSI went not above the 60 zone. So this is the first sign we have seen in this counter that the medium term horizon of this and trend of this counter Delta Corp is definitely going to upside because of so many indications in this stock. And let me discuss the levels for this counter. The first level for this counter, you can keep your stop loss as 115, 115. At this level, below this candle, this is a breakout candle. So below this level, we are going to put our stop loss at 115, 115, and expecting a target zone in this counter around 170, 170. So somewhere here, this is the some kind of small range here. So that's why 170 is the area of target for Delta Corp. And if you can see the monthly time frame, so this is the good momentum. Monthly RSI is also taking support above 40. So overall, its long-term trend has been changed. So we are going to participate in this counter with the medium-term time horizon, weekly time frame. You can enter this stock, the last closing of this stock at 135, expecting target is 170, and the stop loss area is 115. So this is our second pick Delta Corp. Let's check the third pick of this Diwali is Escorts Limited, and this is the see how it has. This is a good uptrend in weekly chart. and we have seen this small consolidation also break out above this consolidation, this candle high on a weekly time frame. The volume participation is also good with these two bullish candles, and if you can convert this to the daily time frame, this is the good nice consolidation pattern has been broken out here on a daily time frame. The moving average slope is upside so many times. Stock is taking support near this moving average, which is again an extremely good signal. So let's start with monthly time frame. Monthly is also given a breakout above 1020 level, which is a good sign, and expecting this stock to be further continue uptrend because its monthly time frame is also up with moving average with this Dow theory also higher bottoms we have seen. And let's check on weekly time frame. In this rally, this is a good accumulation when the volume participation is good. With every wide range candles, big candles, the volumes are good on bullish candles, and on declining candles, the bearish candles, volume are also not that much good. So we can clearly see long-term uptrended stock. Every bullish candle having a good volume, suggesting some further up move may possible in this counter, Escorts Limited. And let's discuss the levels for this counter. And you can keep your stop loss at 1300 level. The last closing is around 1395, and keep your stop loss at 1300 level, which is this candle low, and expecting a price of target level, probable target is around 1620, 1620 level, which is somewhere here in this counter. So this is not a short-term peak, and we are discussing about medium-term to long-term horizon. Maybe it will require kind of 6 months or more than that, or maybe 1 year time frame to get these levels. So accordingly, you can take the positions because it will require some kind of time. It will not immediately go up in next 1 month or 2 months. So some kind of small consolidation may appear, and then it will continue uptrend again. So that's the point you can keep in your mind before taking any position. So again, I'm repeating, stop loss is around 1300 level, and your target zone is around 1620. The escorts is our third pick. Let's discuss about the fourth pick, Relaxo footwear. So this is our fourth pick for Diwali pick, Relaxo footwear. The last closing is around 725. On this is the weekly time frame. This is a good moving average support taking so many times here. We have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this moving average slope is uptrend. Medium term of this stock is clearly uptrend. This last two candles has broken out this entire range, and if you can calculate this range is around 9 to 10 weeks range has been broken out here with a good reasonable volume on weekly time frame. Moving average support is intact. RSI is above 60 on weekly time frame, suggesting further good bullish momentum in this counter. And the last swing high is around 786, and the previous one is around 800 zone. So we are expecting this high to be crossed in next couple of months, and we clearly see there is also a good trendline breakout here in this counter on weekly time frame. So this is the stock. You can clearly see very nice pattern on weekly time frame, and if you can take a daily time frame, it has broken out this range and taking support above this and change in polarity at 680 zone. So this is the bullish candle, wide range candle with good huge volumes. RSI is taking above 60 support on daily time frame, further suggesting good bullish momentum may possible in this counter. So let's discuss about the level. The last close is around 725. Keep your stop loss at 680 zone, which is this change in polarity low. Keep this stop loss below this low, 680, 675 is your stop loss zone, and expecting a target zone in this counter is around 850, 850. It is below above this high somewhere here. So that's the view for Relaxo footwear for next couple of months. Okay. And the last stock for this Diwali pick is Tata Steel. And the last stock for this Diwali pick is Tata Motors. And this is the weekly time frame, and the moving average slope is flat, slightly flat, but this candlestick is above taking support above this moving average is extremely good sign. In so many weeks it is consolidating above this moving average, and a good accumulation on volumes we can clearly see with the wide range candles. We have seen a good volumes, and the small this bearish candles volumes are not that much powerful, which suggesting accumulation is going on in this counter for medium to long term horizon. And if we can see the RSI is also above near to 60 zone, which is a bullish sign. Volumes participation is good in this counter on daily time frames. Let's check. And on daily time frame, it has broken out the 60 range on RSI and taking support at 60 now, which is extremely good sign. And this is a kind of triangle pattern here, which has already broken out. Let me draw the triangle pattern here. So this is the view we have seen in this counter. You can accumulate this stock between this zone around 144 to 135 is a good area to accumulate to buy this stock. 135 to 145 is the entry area in this stock, and we are expecting this stock to be in the bullish next couple of months. So let's discuss the levels for this stock, and you can keep your stop loss at 125 in this counter, which is below this low, because so good consolidation has been placed here. So 125 is a good area of stop loss in this counter. Enter between 135 145 is a good zone to buy this stock, and expecting price of this target area is around 185. 185 is the zone which we have seen. This is the swing high resistance 185. So that's why we are calculating probable target zone at 185. Keep your stop loss at 125, accumulate between 135 to 145, and expecting a price of 185 in Tata Motors. So these are the stocks for the Diwali Muhurat Picks 2020. Let's meet in after video.
आप सबने ये पूरा वीडियो देख लिया होगा और आपको अभी पूरा आइडिया आया कि हमने कौन से स्टॉक्स को किस हिसाब से एनालिसिस किया है। ज़्यादातर आपको इसमें से कुछ सीखने को भी मिला होगा कि कौन से स्टॉक्स पे हमने कैसे एक पर्टिकुलरली व्यू बिल्टअप किया, फिर उस हिसाब से हमने कैसे एक जोन डिसाइड किया जहाँ पे हम बाई कर सकते हैं, और दूसरा जो जोन है जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस है, टारगेट एरिया भी हमने फिक्स किया। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको इसमें से सीखने को भी मिला होगा, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और हमने दिवाली मुहूर्त पिक्स टोटल 5 स्टॉक्स हमने डिस्कस किए, जो कि एक आप दिवाली मुहूर्त के दिन पे बाय कर सकते हो और उसको 6 मंथ से 1 ईयर तक आप उसको होल्ड भी कर सकते हो। और आप इसमें से काफ़ी कुछ जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि इसमें जब भी एंट्री करो 7 to 10% का इसमें एलोकेशन करिए अपने टोटल कैपिटल का, वहाँ से ही आप स्टार्ट करिए। ज़्यादा बड़ा क्वांटिटी आप बिल्टअप मत कीजिए। सो ये मेरा आपका एक इंस्ट्रक्शन रहेगा, आप सबको एक गुजारिश रहेगा। और वंस अगेन हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। नया साल आप सबके लिए बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद रहे, आप हेल्दी रहो और खूब वेल्दी बनो। मेरे ओर से आप सबको यही शुभकामनाएं हैं। मिलते हैं कोई और एक वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच।